Yo, CPT and the world. It's your boy Oasis and welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. I have some artists in studio with me today and they're ripping it all the way from the Sur. So let's get into knowing them and let's do this. So yo bro, what's your name?
Yo, I'm Young Phoenix, you know who it is. With the boy Yayo right here.
Huh? Your name? Out your flexing, Yayo.
Yayo, Seasick, Instagram handle, what's up?
Yeah man. So how long have you guys been making music?
It's been like 2.5 years. So about to take over.
2.5 years and about to take
give
over.
us like 5 more years again.
So are you like together, like always making music, or is you single artist? What
now we're together, we just entered this competition and we decided to go as a group, so yeah.
Oh, so it's like a duo.
Yeah, we dropped like a mixtape.
Mixtape. Hold up, mixtape coming. Remember that. So who inspired you guys, man? Like artist-wise, like in the game, who inspires you to make the music you make?
I would say Easy.
Definitely,
yeah. Put an influence, yeah.
I have to say Easy.
Yeah.
Chief Keef, he was like the first rapper.
Yes,
if you trap, you know, he was the first trap nigga.
Yes, bro, trapping hard.
And like the new cats in the generation will pump and all of them, they just go hard on stage.
So is that the vibe you go for? Is that the sound you go for? The little like pumps, little Uzi birds and.
Nah, Uzi is other ish now.
Okay, so I'm throwing sound out there to see how you're feeling, man. That's why.
Nah, I don't feel him, but like not. I wouldn't do what he does on stage and stuff.
And at this point in time, what you as a group now think you guys are gonna do in South Africa?
We feel like turning into the new Barry Joburg.
Turn into new Barry Joburg, and I think you're gonna do that.
How we gonna do that?
You're gonna have to.
Tell him, nigga.
Tell him.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to like fucking push our music as
Yeah.
hard as you can. We're gonna have to get it as much people. We have to show them there's a new wave, and not only like this local thing that they want us to be. Like every time we hit someone up, they're like, you should be more local and stuff. I wanna show them that there's actually cats out here doing trap music, like how America
local trap music.
You know what I'm saying? They must appreciate it actually.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like everyone can do it. They mustn't only accept what they say or youngster shows the world of Cape Town. It's not only that.
Yeah.
Honestly,
I feel you. As long as I can respect that today, because I know
that
I have my own sound, my own message I want to push. I want people to hear a certain thing. So now, what do you think of the essay game itself, though, man? Like, yes, you want to get your message out there, but how do you think you're gonna get that in the essay game?
That inspired me to fucking do my shit because, like, I was like, what the fuck? I go on MTV and I see some whack nigga making racks, and I'm like, what? That's not music. So why can't I do it?
And you think you can do better?
We're not hating, but
we're not hating.
No hate, bro. Never hate. You have to say your opinion. Everyone has an opinion. I just would like to know if music is cock, it's cock. I'm sorry,
it's
bro.
Cock,
make
like,
music. It's just that thing. So it's like if we're giving niggas opportunity to perform, like, do you think it's all up to kill it?
Of course.
We live for that. That's
live for that.
Yeah. I would like if you guys would come with us to one of our shows.
Yo, dope.
Just
hold up, yo. They have shows, they perform. So afterwards, I'm gonna find out where they perform. We'll drop it on the page and we'll let you know.
Please.
Alright. So now look here. Tell them actually now. For example, where can they find you? Because we'll post your shit, but where else can we find you? If I have to find you, if I have to Google you now, would I find you?
Yeah, you'll definitely find me at Finesse CPT. That's for SoundCloud, and on Instagram it's Super Saiyan Sauce.
Super Saiyan Sauce. I got the sauce. And you, yo?
Skirt. You can catch me on Instagram, Seasick, Facebook, my government name, County Class. Not on Twitter, but I'm on SoundCloud.
Nah, not Facebook, bro.
Facebook, fuck that.
Nah,
Facebook.
You don't want people on your Facebook, bro. I know
that shit. What you hating, bro? Whatever you said, I'm away. Catch me on SoundCloud, yo.
Yeah, you heard your boys. You know where you find them. Don't forget EMP TV. Subscribe to the channel, and let's do this. Thanks, boys.
You can catch me in the trap, I was sipping on the act, click clack with the strap. Cause I gotta kill a track, but I gotta get this back. And she rubbing on my back, and she feeling on my swag. So I ain't give a back, now she chilling with the gang. And you know my diamonds dance, got her counting all these ranks. And she told me she a fan, put her in my plans. And she know who I am, so I gotta get them bands. She was looking for the one, so I kept it 100. keep my eyes with, and you know what time it's sunny. Carrot on my wrist, got me feeling like a bunny. Carrot on my wrist, got me feeling like a bunny. Diamonds all up on my wrist, and they shine like this. Yeah, I can really wipe a bitch. I'm too busy getting rich. We ain't doing no talking, I take a go when I'm walking. Know what I'm rocking, or maybe Louis, Gucci, eating just like sushi. Fucked a bitch once, now she acting like she knew me.
These niggas mad and they sad, I don't get them. I made it clear, I ain't here for you niggas. Met your bitch, we was fucking in the winter. Rolling back with a nigga got a splinter. In the trap, counting racks with my hitters. My niggas done it all, but never tell when he snitches. Private entrance for all these damn broads. In the hotel just to make a song. I'm feeling real once you do this shit again. Switching lanes, switching bitches, switching cars. You niggas dry, yeah, why you dripping sauce? C-Sick is the fairest of them all. They don't make him like him anymore. He's a nigga, he's a king, he's a god. You never made him in the flesh, but you're hating hard. But you're hating hard.